Here are 5 things you didn't know about how the Knights of Malta defied impossible odds against Suleiman the Magnificent in 1565. First, Grand Master Lavalette made a shocking decision that changed everything. He executed Ottoman prisoners in full view of the siege army, displaying their heads on spikes. This enraged the Turks so much they abandoned careful tactics for costly frontal assaults. Second, Fort St. Elmo was supposed to fall in 3 days, but held for 31 days instead. This miraculous defense bought crucial time for reinforcements to arrive. Third, the Knights used Greek fire and primitive grenades in underground tunnels. These weapons completely destroyed Ottoman sappers trying to dig beneath the walls. Fourth, just as the last stronghold was about to fall, the Piccolo Soccorso relief force arrived. Their timing was perfect, turning certain defeat into hope. Fifth, after losing 30,000 men, Mustafa Pasha made a fatal decision. He abandoned the entire siege, marking the end of Ottoman expansion in the Mediterranean and saving Christian Europe.